Hi everyone, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have the subscriber drawing happening. So in this box, I have all the names of the people who did the mindset little what do you call it, little request and comment and all that. And so I said that today I would draw a name out of the box. And so this video will just be a short one, and it's just going to be choosing a name out of the box. So good luck to whoever wins it. And so the winner, please either message me on my Facebook page that I have below in the description box, or you can send me a message on my Etsy store with your address saying that you're the winner, and I will send you out a wonderful prize. Okay? All right, so let's do this. All right, got the name. Who's it gonna be? Oops. So the winner is Tina Carabas. Hopefully I pronounced it right. So Tina, if you're watching, send me your info and I will send out a great thank you for being a subscriber to my channel, and how wonderful. Whoops. But there, Tina. All right. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for a next video. All right. Thank you so much. All right. Bye.